Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, today a really short video. I ordered this watch on eBay. Quick unboxing here. I can't wait to open this. I always wanted one of these guys. Of course, every watch I buy, I've always wanted one of, but watches are so much fun, especially if you're into it. I ordered this guy, and I believe my address was on the front of that. I'm just gonna quick open this off the side here. Yeah, I wanted one of these for a long time. So it is a Glycine. So I wanted a pre-Invicta Glycine, but the prices are so crazy on them right now, and I'm not sure if it's a big deal. I'd like to get some discussion going on this a little bit. If you think it is a big deal, I'm kind of thinking it's kind of like, Seiko and Orient. I think they're just letting them go. Glycine, Invicta purchased Glycine in 2016, I think. And I think they're kind of letting them do their own thing. I think their quality is still great. If you don't think so, please let me know. This is new old stock, so I was excited to find it, and yeah, oh yeah, it is good looking. It's the Airman base 22. See if I can get that focused in. Really, really cool watch. I just always liked this Glycine, and I finally got one. So it's everything I expected so far. I'm gonna throw this on the wrist to give you a wrist shot. Does have, let me see here, yeah, push pin link adjustments. Really, really nice clasp. I'm going to do a full review on this watch in a couple of weeks. I have so many watches coming in right now. Next up is the SWC Bunker, which is really cool. It is a awesome looking field watch, so make sure you come back and check that video out for sure. Nice GMT watch. I just think this is such a cool watch. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you think it's the same quality as pre-Invicta. I don't know. That's why I bought it. That's why I bought it and want to wear it. Very thin piece, running the GL, I think 293 movement. I'm not 100% sure on that. I forget my memory, and excuse my nail, I was doing yard work there. Yeah, the GL0209, and I do think it's running the 293 movement. So a cool ETA movement for sure. Plastic. Let me get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. I'm absolutely loving this. All right, guys, there you have it on my wrist before I sized it. That is looking good. 42 millimeter. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this watch, and let me know if you think the pre-Invicta models are better or not. This was new old stock. It did not come with papers. I'm good with that. Just looking really nice. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna pound this thing and let you know how it's holding up. Hey, I hope you guys are having a great day, and stay well.